cross my heart, I never meant to hurt you. But now you're slipping through my fingers as the darkness in me lingers. Was praying for possibilities, lately got the best of me, yeah. You got the best of me, embracing our insecurities. Better to cry and set us free, yeah. Oh no. We're running out of space between good and bad. Running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to do a quick cleanup. The Christmas tree is leaving tonight. Like, I know I'm probably the last person that still has her Christmas tree, and that is because this new year has just been so stressful. We spent a whole week in the hospital because Zimi had a surgery. I'm also trying to know if I can create space just right here so that maybe when Zimi starts school, he can do his online learning here. You guys, I have 3 kids that need to log on every morning, and we're kind of running out of space. Luther can still use the dining table, and then Zuri, I might have to keep Zuri upstairs. Hers is not so serious, she's still in preschool, but they still require that she logs on every morning. I hope you guys get motivated. My house is trash, I know. It's been over a week that I mopped, so I hope I can mop this night. I don't know what this is. Okay, I think it's just yogurt. So first, I'm going to start taking down the Christmas tree. We've lost so many bubbles from this Christmas tree. I'm so sure I will need to buy new bubbles next Christmas. I'll now go ahead and wipe down the table and also the piano. I found that it was really dusty. So what I have in my bottle is just vinegar mix. It's not elbow grease. I usually just mix my vinegar mix inside the bottle. So moving on to the dining section, I'm just going to sweep everything to one side and then bend down and pick them up. So these pieces of papers, Lota likes to work with them. She loves to make shapes and like draw human and then use scissors to cut them out in different shapes. So I'm going to pack most of them and put them back in the toy box for her because tomorrow she's going to need them to work with, and then also pick up their toys and the plates, send them to the kitchen and the toys to the toy box, and then also give the dining table a wipe.
How long has it been since I kissed you? I don't wanna wait. How long has it been since you held me? I don't wanna wait. How long has it been since I felt like this about anything? I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait no more. How long do we have to put up with this lonely charade? As long as I know that I'm winning, I played this game, but I want you close, baby, right now. I know you feel the same. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait no more. Ooh, when you put your arms around me, we go flying into ecstasy. Ooh, I can feel our bodies trembling. Feel my adrenaline increasing. You, you make me feel that way. You have me in every way. You take me higher. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait no more. How long has it been since I felt you? I don't wanna.
So now moving on to the kitchen, I don't have much to do here. I already done the dishes, like I've sent the dishes into the dishwasher. So usually every other day I put the dish brush into the dishwasher. It just helps to disinfect the dish brushes so that way it doesn't have bacteria grow on it. So I'm just going to go around and put things in the right places and then spray some granite spray on the surfaces and wipe it out. So the granite spray I'm using is from sOMBili. I actually found it in this house when we moved in and it's been really good. I think I will go back to purchase it. I love how it cuts through grease and it also doesn't leave streak.
You make me feel that way. You have me in every way. You take me higher. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait no more. You make me feel that way. You have me in every way. You take me higher. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait no more.
So I'm going to leave the link to this pin mop in my description box just in case you want to try it out. It's an awesome mop. It makes the job a lot easier. I love mopping with this. The mop is a microfiber cloth, so it dries up the floor so well. I got this from Amazon, but if you're lucky, you can find this for almost half the price at Aldi. I think I got this for about £34, but I've seen it a couple of times at Aldi for about £19 or £17 or so. But I'll leave the link in my description box just in case if you're not able to find it at Aldi, you can just purchase it from Amazon. Next, I'm going to clean up the toilet downstairs. This toilet is mainly used by the kids because it's just very close to the living room. And for someone like Zuri, she's a 3 year old, and most of the time she doesn't go to the bathroom until it's too late. She starts to run to the toilet, and a lot of times she leaves pills on the toilet. So I try as much as possible to just give it a wipe every night. So to wipe it down, I normally use floor wipes because it's antibacterial. So I just give it a wipe and then give it a brush. So today, since I'm already mopping the entire house, I'll go ahead and also mop the floor. So yeah, finally I'm just going to log on and hand in most of the kids work. So usually during the day they do a lot of work from school, and then I have to take pictures with my phone, send it to my email. At the end of the day, I just log on and hand in all their works to their teachers. Most of them are due tomorrow, so I love to do it a night before so we don't submit it past the due date. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and I will see you all in my next video. Okay, bye.